Hello. Today we're going to go over how to book a makeup from a missed class. First, you go to thenextrate.com, then log in, put in your credentials, log into your student portal. You go over to My Account, click Appointments, scroll down to one of the ones that you missed. We missed Wednesday, February 2nd for session 3. You click Book Makeup. It's going to give you a list of all the available days that you can book this makeup. I'm going to pick March 1st. You're enrolled successfully. And now to go and check on that, you go back to Scheduling, My Schedule, and then you can see it's booked right here.